The average mortgage rate this week is still historically low, 3.95% for a 30-year fixed. That is down almost a point from last year's 4.86. So why aren't more homes selling? Part of the problem may be the backlog of foreclosed homes and confusion among the banks holding the mortgages. Elaine Quijano has one couple's story.
If you're wondering why the real estate market has been slow to heal, listen to what the Rileys went through to try to keep their house in Tampa.
What has this process been like for you?
Stressful, chaotic. I mean, there's a lot of those kind of words come to mind.
Tim Riley was laid off from his IT job in 2009. Robin Riley's salary as a benefits coordinator was not enough to cover their $3,000 monthly payment. So they asked their lender, Bank of America, to lower their interest rate.
I really thought, interest rates have come down so much, people are having so much difficulty, they should welcome someone that is willing to make the payments.
He was told he couldn't get help unless he fell behind on his payments. So in 2009, Tim Riley stopped paying his mortgage. What's followed has been a 2-year battle with bank bureaucracy that the Rileys chronicled in this thick binder.
October, Barbara assigned Steve. Steve passed it off to Nancy, and then Nancy passed it off to Sarin.
A year went by with no progress. The Rileys moved out of the property.
I contacted the bank, sent them a registered letter, told them where I was, gave my phone number and my email address, told them that I'd closed up the property.
But they didn't hear a word. Another year passed. The Rileys moved back home. The bank wanted to tack on late fees and past penalties, which would have increased their mortgage $60,000.
We just had a stalemate. It was a no-win. They couldn't win, I couldn't win.
Finally, after 2 years without a mortgage payment, Bank of America gave the Rileys permission to sell their house for less than what's owed to the bank. And another twist, it's offered the couple up to $20,000 to seal the deal.
It's kind of beyond a crazy story, it's absurd.
Last week, the Rileys found a buyer for their house. They're moving into a mobile home. As for Bank of America, it could suffer a $100,000 loss, much more than if it had worked out a new loan with the Rileys in the first place. Elaine Quijano, CBS News, Tampa, Florida.